Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this vegan, gluten-free, refined, sugar-free pumpkin bread that tastes amazing and smells great. To a small bowl, add in 8 tablespoons of warm water and then 4 tablespoons of ground flax seed, and go ahead and just mix that around, and you're going to want to set it aside, and then once it turns to a gelatin texture, it is definitely ready. It's supposed to resemble an egg replacement. To a large bowl, add in 4 cups and a half cup of oat flour. Add in 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 2.5 tablespoons of pumpkin spice, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 2 cups of pumpkin puree, 1 cup of coconut sugar, a 1/3 cup of maple syrup, a half cup of smooth unsalted almond butter, the juice of 1 full entire lemon. You want to squeeze all that juice out into there. Now add in your flaxseed mixture that you have set aside from earlier, and then add in a half cup of chocolate chips that are vegan. Now go ahead and just mix it all together. By the way, if you did hear any bubbling, it's just the acid counteracting with the baking soda. Is completely normal and fine. Now go ahead and just keep mixing that until it's fully mixed together and you see no clumps of anything. Now grab some olive oil and a paper towel and grease up your pans. You don't need a ton of oil, you just need a little bit just so it won't stick. And you will need 2 8x4 bread pans, but if you have one that you like to use at home, go ahead and use it. Fill it up to the top. It will turn out amazing that way. It's not going to rise like a crazy amount. And go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Place it right up in that oven and let that cook for 1 hour, which is 60 minutes right on that oven. Now it's done. Pull it right out of the oven. Doesn't that smell great? Go ahead and put it on your stove top and let it cool down for about 40 minutes or an hour. And then grab a bread knife and go ahead and start cutting slices of it and serving it to your family. And look at me, I had a bread pan that had other loaves, so I'll be giving it to neighbors and friends and family. Now if you make this recipe, go ahead and tag Meet the Presleys on Instagram. I will be so happy to show this in the vlog. You have a wonderful day.